Enjoy with me this quick, easy, delicious breakfast made ready in 5 minutes. Greetings, Sanbonani, and a warm welcome. My name is CBO. Let's begin. Wash and slice the tomato. Set it aside. Grate the mozzarella cheese or any cheese of choice. Adding cheese is optional. A list of ingredients and more information will be in the description box below. Press where it says more. Wash and slice the spring onion, or what they call scallion. Please do not skip the ads to support the channel and to keep the lights on. Set the onion aside. In a bowl, place the eggs. Then season them with salt and pepper. You may add Sriracha chili seasoning, that's optional, or use any seasoning of choice. Add the spring onion to the eggs, beat until the eggs blend. If you like easy, delicious recipes, please subscribe and press the notification bell. It's free to subscribe. On medium to high heat, in a pan, melt the butter. Fry the sliced tomato until it turns the color but is not wilted. Turn them over. Do not overcook them so they do not release the water. To avoid a soggy sandwich, add the eggs with the onion, then top it with the tortilla wrap. Once the eggs start to harden beneath and are easy to move, turn them over. Add your fillings. I added the grated cheese, which is optional. Then I added the baby spinach. In the comments, please tell me what are your favorite fillings to add in a breakfast wrap. Fold the wrap and continue to toast both sides of the tortilla until golden. Add the butter if necessary and tidy up the overhangs if any, like mine. Look at that golden toasted wrap. The aroma was amazing and mouth-watering. Once both sides are toasted, it is ready. Please press the like button to help circulate this video. I hope you will try this breakfast recipe and you will enjoy it. Thank you so much for your time. You are loved. Stay blessed. Bye bye.